guys, hello again. Just making another video on my S10 custom truck, the crew cab. Basically just going to do a little walk around, whatnot, and start it up, drive it around. Maybe just do a little bit better video than my first one. Definitely didn't have the best of audio on it. I know I can't really hear myself on there, so sorry about that. Hopefully this new video will definitely be better footage and better quality. So I'll just do another quick walk around. I know the first one didn't have very good audio, and also now that I painted it, it actually looks a lot better. So I got the third brake light up there. Definitely looks a lot better with that feature. Hardly can see it with the sun, but I stuck with my main color that I had with the Blazer was white. And then I just went through and I put bed liner along the bottom here, and then in the bed, of course. So I'm not sure in the last video if I had those new tires on there. They're definitely better than the ones that I had. That one actually looks a little bit low, but yeah, I'm actually glad, or quite surprised how well the paint job turned out. It's not the best, but I mean, for my first time painting a vehicle, it's not too bad. So guess I'll just walk around here slowly. I actually ended up painting over that stamped tailgate. Eventually I'll probably just put stickers back over that so it'll look a little bit better. So there you have it. I'm definitely happy with the overall project. It's not finished yet. I do have a lot more planned for it. I definitely want to get a better paint job on it. This is just temporary. And then I also want to get a lift kit for it. Maybe put some bigger tires on it. Make it a little bit better, the stance wise, but overall I'm very happy with it. It's turned out to be pretty useful, actually. I've always wanted like a little truck that I could throw things in the back without worrying about it, and I just I came up with this project in my head. I thought it would never work, actually, so I'm glad that it did. But yeah, If you have anything you want to add, maybe I should do to the truck, just leave it down below in the comments. I'm definitely open for more ideas. Like I said, the project is not done yet, so I want to continue doing stuff on it. Eventually maybe I'll get some full-size axles on it. I don't know. I wanted to do a flatbed as well on it, but it's kind of all up in the air, and also I don't have a ton of time right now. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.